Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello YouTuber learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to give permission allow Firefox to automatically trust third-party root certificates in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have been pinned here in my taskbar. Click here and go to the three bar icon, click and press the settings. So in settings we will get lots of things, so we press the privacy and security, click here. In below I scroll and we will get the certificates. See here the certificates, and the next option, allow Firefox to automatically trust third-party root certificates as we install. Here if we want to know elaborate thing, then we'll press the learn more, then we will get the details thing. So now I mark this. See, in this way we can mark this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.